This is a big deal for us personally. Like, we as a team, we've had big goals from the very beginning. Like maybe crazy goals. And I'm so thankful to my people, the people that have worked with me, my team, the customers, the industry partners. We have been so supported by this industry. This has been such a fantastic, 17 years I've been in this industry, but the last 13 years at Next Gear have just been something that is truly meaningful to me and to my team. And so one, thank you to everybody who has been a part of the success. This is really an industry success. This industry built this company. And I couldn't be more thankful. And I really hope that when the next couple months and years go by, when people look back on this acquisition, they realize Garret did the right thing. He put it in the right hands, and it really made a big positive impact for our space, because that is exactly why I did what I did.